So we basically focus on driving marketing activity for print software, automation, anything that involves driving the job file to the press.
You were just doing a talk just before I grabbed you on web to print is dead.
Yeah, but it's not.
But it's not?
It's not, no.
Could you tell us a little bit about why you chose to do that topic for your talk?
The industry's got to change on many levels. And one of the personal things that we don't like is the terminology of things and the mindset. So we're saying web to print is dead to get the attention of actually opening up the education and change and evolving. It's actually evolving.
Yeah.
It's actually really exciting.
Okay.
But it's just to try and get it out there. And actually, the first day we put the campaign out, we received some complaints, but we also received 30 inquiries from print businesses who were like, yeah, we need help. It's basically a mindset of print becoming more manufacturing based rather than I just print business cards.
Yeah.
It's more than that. There's so many cool creative things being made, and it's just print. Just saying I'm a printer is underselling what you do.
It's so much to encompass in that statement.
Going back to terminology, we have to be really mindful that there's so many verticals in our industry, and you guys will know from your day jobs, it's very hard to switch hats and talk the right language to the right vertical. And I think the only way to include everyone is to have big venues like this and have an environment that's set up that shows that industry.
You mentioned at the start that you do a little bit with AI. Could you talk to us just a bit about AI in general? What's the picture at the moment with print and AI?
Yeah, so we're really lucky that we partnered with an AI development house very early on. Again, just being honest, we don't know. No one knows how it's going to go, and we've got to be really mindful of what advice we give and we listen to. And there's a ton of people on LinkedIn now that profess to be AI consultants, and so I think we've got to be careful of what information we give out. So what we're trying to do is look at our partners, our customers, our software partners, and we're looking at how we're using data, how we're pre-flighting the images on the press and stuff. So we're trying to learn what tools are there, how we can help businesses that have got already existing stacks of software, rather than going out buying new stuff. Can we use AI as a bit of a conduit to repair things? So generally what we're trying to do is understand how we can create solutions around existing problems. So we're not looking at cats smoking cigars, driving motorbikes, that AI slot. We're looking at that real world solution. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your perspective.
Thank you, Karis.